Hello again, Clean My Space Nation. Some of you might remember that at the end of last year, I was talking about freeing up as much shelf space as possible for all of the new products we're working on over at Makers Clean. Well, we're in the thick of 2019, and so far this year, we've introduced our brand new Makers Mini microfiber cloths. Small, compact, and super convenient to keep in your purse or your gym bag. We also launched the Pro Pack, our largest kit containing 20 microfiber cloths for all of my cleaning pros out there. And of course, we introduced you to our Makers Clean microfiber bath towels, ultra absorbent, luxurious waffle weave towels designed to change the way you think about bath towels. So, what's next for Makers Clean? Let me tell you what's next. The all-new Auto Kit, which features 3 premium microfiber cloths, which will bring the Makers Clean experience to your car, boat, RV, or anywhere that you need a truly great cleaning cloth. First, we've got a general purpose cloth in there. It's your hardworking, everyday use cloth that will no doubt be your go-to for most cleaning jobs in your car. Next, we have a glass and electronics cloth to tackle all of the smooth, shiny surfaces in your car, which need to be cleaned to a streak-free shine. And finally, we've brought back our double-sided utility cloth, an oversized microfiber cloth, which features a general purpose finish on one side and a heavy plush pile terry finish on the other, perfect for polishing and buffing to achieve that showroom shine. The Auto Kits come in 3 sizes. The standard Auto Kit comes with 3 cloths, one of each of the 3 I just discussed. The Deluxe Auto Kit comes with 6, and the Auto Detailing Pack comes with 10. And this is perfect for people who like to do a deep clean of multiple cars or vehicles on a regular basis. What I love most about these cloths is this new charcoal color. It's so luxurious, and I think it's actually my favorite color of all of the cloths that we offer. So even if you don't have a car or a vehicle, definitely consider picking this up because they're perfect for using around the house, especially for those of you who have said in the past that you don't want to ruin the beautiful color of your cloths. These are such a color that even if they get a little dirty, you're not gonna know. I am so excited for you guys to try these cloths, and to celebrate the launch of our latest product line, we are offering a special introductory price for a limited time only. Those of you who have been following along on the Makers Clean journey, you know that we often sell out rather quickly. So I encourage you to visit our website, it's makersclean.com, to order your Auto Kit today because of course, supplies are limited. As always, thank you so much for your continued support. We've now shipped out over 150,000 Makers Clean microfiber cloths, and we're excited to ship out millions more and help you have a much easier time on your cleaning journey. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.